Hi friends! Hello! It's story time! Story time with Teacher Jane! Today's story is called Baby Animals. Baby animals. These are all animals. Yes. Okay, kids, let's start the reading. I will read to you. Here we go. Look, everyone, here is a chicken. A chicken. Yes, and baby chickens are called chicks. Chicks. This chick says, I'm a baby chicken. And we have another chick here. It says, let me out. I'm squashed. This little chick says, hello, mother. Hello, mother. Now, class, look, here we have rabbits. 1, 2, 3 rabbits. Okay, I'm a baby rabbit. I love crisp lettuce. Yes, rabbits really love lettuce. And crunchy carrots. Yes, here are carrots. Do you like carrots? Me too. So it's time for a wash and a great big hug. A great big hug. It's nice to hug a rabbit. Look, everybody, we've got piglets. Piglets. 1, 2, 3, 4 piglets. I'm a baby pig. My nose is called a snout. Wow, yeah, so pigs have snouts for noses. Yes, they have snouts. Okay. This little pig says, did someone say dinner? Maybe it's hungry. It might want something to eat. Okay. It smells good. It smells good. Okay. Look here. We've got kittens. I love kittens. They're so cute. I'm a baby cat. And look at this kitten. It's saying to the mouse, stay still. Stay still, okay? And look, another kitten. It says, whoops, have I made a mess? The kitten is playing with wool. Yes, with wool. Now, kids, look, a horse. Horses are so beautiful. And this is a foal, a baby horse. Yes, it says, I'm a baby horse. And this foal says, look at my long, thin legs. Do you see the foal's legs? They're long and thin. Yes. Okay, and the full says, this full says, let's play mother. Let's play mother. Okay, moving on. Everybody, what is this? Do you know? Yes, it's a duck. Quack, quack. Baby ducks are called ducklings. Here are 2 ducklings. They say, we're baby ducks. Okay, and this duck here says, let's go for a swim. It wants to go swimming. Yes. And the other duckling says, can I come too? Can I come too? And here we have puppies. Puppies, cute baby dogs. This puppy says, I'm a baby dog. And another puppy. Here are the same puppy. It says, oh good, it's time for a walk. A walk, yes. And the puppy says, I'm tired now. I'm tired now. Let's have a little nap with Bear. A little nap with Bear. Here is the teddy bear. Yes. Okay. And who can tell me what this is? No ideas? It's a goat. A goat. And baby goats are called kids. Kids, yeah. So they say, we're baby goats. All right. And then a kid says, where has our friend gone? Oh dear, a friend is missing. A friend is not there. And then they hear a kid say, here I am. Here I am. And okay, nearly finished, everyone. This is the review. So it says, we're all baby animals. Do you know our names? Yes, who remembers this? Yes, it's a rabbit. And what do we call a baby chicken? It's a chick. Yes. A baby dog is called a puppy. You got it. And a baby cat is called a kitten. And one more to go. A baby duck is called a... That's right, duckling. Yes, very good, kids. And that is the end. I hope you enjoyed hearing today's story. See you next time. Bye-bye.